Hello dear student, today we start the new topic. The name of a new topic is example is based on the multiplication and division. Now my dear student, today we start the question number first. The question number first name is what is write both the multiplication facts for each of the following example. It means that you have to write the both the multiplication fact. Okay. Now see, for the first one example is what? It will be 36. We have to divide it simple division divided by 4. It means that here will be 36 divided by 4 is equals to what? 9. Because here will be 4 9 ja 36. Okay. It means that here will be 36 divided by 4. This is a very so simple example. Now see why? Because 4 9 ja 36 divided by 4 is equals to what? 9. Because 4 9 ja 36. That is why your answer will come in what? 9. But your question is what? Write both the multiplication fact from each of the following example. We have to write down the multiplication fact. Two multiplication fact. Okay, now see how can we write it. See, listen here. It will be 36 divided by 4 is equals to what? 9. Definitely 9. Now we have to write down the multiplication fact. How can we write down the multiplication fact? We have to write down this format. It will be 4 multiplied by 9. This is our 4 multiplied by 9. Because of 4 9 ja 36. Okay. This is for the first multiplication fact. And then we have to write down the second one multiplication is fact is what? This is our also 9 multiplied by 4. This is our exactly opposite, exactly reciprocal. This is our 9 multiplied by 4 is equals to what? 36. It means that, now see listen here, you have to 36, you have to divide it by 4 is equals to what? 9. Write down the multiplication fact means what? This is our 4 multiplied by 9 is equals to 36. Same. It will be 39 multiplied by 4 is equals to what? 36. Same way you have to solve this example. It will be 30 simple division method divided by 5 is equals to what? This is our 6 because of 5 6 is 30. And then you have to write down the multiplication fact of the following example. You have to write down the multiplication fact from the following example. It means what? You have to multiply by, this is our 5 multiplied by 6. And the 6 multiplied by 5 both are the 30. It means that this is our 5 multiplied by 6. This is our 5 multiplied by 6 is equals to 30. Because 5 6 are 30. Same way, this is our 6 multiplied by 5. This is our 6 multiplied by 5. Because 6 5 is also 30. This is our 30. This is all both the multiplication fact of the following example. It means that we have to using the simple multiplier because the 5 6 are 30. Okay, and the 6 5 is also 30. This is our what? 30. This is also our 30. Same way we have to solve the third one example. This is our 60 divided by 6. Definitely because 10 simple division. Now we have to write down the multiplication fact. Okay, now we have to write down it. See listen here, this is our 6 multiplied by 10. You have the 6 multiplied by 10. Okay, is equals to what? 6 multiplied by 10 is equals to what? 60. Because 0 will become here, 6 1 is 6. This is our 60. Same way you have to write down that this is our 10 multiplied by 6. Because of 10, the table of 10 is what? Table of 10, this is 10 6 are here will be 60. You have to write down the 60. Same way, you have to write down the last one example. This is all about 42. Simple division by 3 is equals to 14 times. Now we have to simple multiply by it. This is our 3 multiplied by 4. And this is our next one is what? 14 multiplied by 3. Now we have to multiply by it. This is our 3 multiplied by 4. Your answer is what? 42. This is the 42 is also come here. Okay, same way we have to multiply by it. This is our 14 multiplied by 3 because of 14 3 ja, this is our what? 42. This is our what? 42. Actually, this is our way. We have to write down the multiplication fact of the following example, of the given example, using their division fact. This is our division. These are given to you. By using, you have to write down the multiplication fact. Now next we will start from the question number 2nd. Same question, write both the division fact. It means that actually this is our this example is reciprocal. Okay, this is our 3 multiplied by 7 is equals to 21. Write both the division fact of the following example. Now see, first of all, the 3 multiplied by 7 is equals to 21. By using the division fact, first of all we have to divide it by 21. This is our 21. Using the division fact, this is the division fact. Okay. Now it means that you have to 3 multiplied by 7 is equals to 27. Okay. We have to write down the first is for 3. Okay. Second we have to divide it by 7. Okay. Now we have to simple division method. Okay. Because 3 7 is 21. We have to write down the 7. And also what? 21 simple division divided by 7. Because 7 3 is 21. This is our 3. It means that here will be 21. The simple division divided by 3 is equals to 7. Same way, this is our 21 divided by 7 is equals to 3. Same way, you have to solve this example. 6 multiplied by 3 is equals to 18. First of all, you have to write down the 18. This is our 18. Use the simple division method. This is use the simple division method. Okay. 6 multiplied by 3 is equals to 18. First, we have to divide it by 6, and the second time we have to divide it by 3. This is our 3, and we have to solve it. Okay. Because 6 1 is 7, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, and 6 3 is 18. This is our answer is for 3. Next, here will be 18 is simple division method by 3. 3 1 is 1, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18. It means that your answer is for 6. By this trick, we have to write down the division fact, and this is our multiplication fact. Next one example, here will be 8 multiplied by 5 is equals to 40. Same we have to write down in the form of what? Division fact. This is our what? Now see, this is our 40 multiplied by 5 is equals to 40. Now we have to divide it by 40. This is our what? 40. Use the simple division method. Use the simple division method. First one we have to divide it by 8. Okay. And the second one we have to divide it by 5. We have to write down the 40 divided by what? 8. This is our what? 8. And the next one is what? Here will be 40 is also divided by what? 5. This is the second one is what? 5. Now we have to solve it. Okay. Because 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, and 8 5 is what? 40. It means that your answer is what? 8 5 is 40. Next, 40 divided by 5. In a 5 table, hence 8 will become here because of 5 8 is this is our what? 40. Same, you have to solve the next one example. 12 multiplied by 4 is equals to 48. It means that you have to write down the 48. You have to write down the 48 by using the division method. This is our by using the division method. First of all, you have to write down the 12. First of all, you have to divide it by 12, and then next you have to divide it by 4. It means that 48 simple divided by first of all the 12, and the next 40 divided by what? This is our 4. Now we have to solve it same way. Okay, because 12 1 is 1, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, and 12 4 is what? 48. This is our 4 is the correct answer. Same question, this is our what? 48 divided by 4. Okay, now we have to solve it. This is our 48 divided by 4, because 4 1 is 4. This is our 0. 8 will become here. 4 2 is 8. This is our 8. 8 minus 8 is what? 0. It means that your final answer is what? 12. This is our what? 12. Now this all four example number 1, 2, 3 and 4 is are based on the write the both the division fact, and this all four example write the both the multiplication fact of the each of the following example. This all our example is based on to find out the multiplication fact and the division fact. It means that you have to write down in the form of division, you have to write down in the multiplication fact, and the same example in the multiplication you have to write it, and you have to write down in the division fact. Hope so everyone student understood the concept of the example is based on the multiplication and the division fact. In the next topic, we will start from the next of this video, and have a nice day.